How's it going, everyone? It's Mr. Walker, and I wanted to kind of help you out on how to use Sight Reading Factory. Since I can't really show you in class, I decided I'd make a video. First things first, in case you've forgotten, your sign-in information is your student email address, and your password is going to be your first initial, your last initial, and your student ID number. So, for instance, mine would be jamal.walker@desotoisd.net, and my password would be JW12345. Your password is all lowercase letters and no explanation point, no exclamation points at all. Okay, so again, mine would be JW12345. That would be my password. Once you are signed in, I'm going to go back to my dashboard. Please remember that this is a little bit different because I am on a teacher account and not a student account. Wherever it is on yours, you need to make sure you hit assignments. If you hit go practice and then you go and practice on things and say that you were singing or you did that and you were recording yourself and took a screenshot of what you worked on or something like that, that is not going to work. You need to make sure that you click assignments and actually go into the assignments that I have created and make sure you get those done. There's two kinds of assignments. One assignment is just rhythm. The other assignment is singing. This week's assignment is singing, and I wanted to show you a few of the things that it has you do on there. So I'm going to go into my assignment, and for you, it'll say launch at some point. For me, once again, I'm on a teacher account, so I'm going to go to try it. It brings up your instructions that are at the top, your due date, October the 8th by 12 a.m. So if it is not in at that point, it is late. So make sure you get this done on the 7th before midnight, because once midnight strikes, you are now on the 8th and your assignment is late. Make sure you sing the notes with the correct rhythm. If you just speak the rhythm, you will only earn 50 points. So please, if it's a singing assignment, actually sing. If you've not done this yet, make sure you check your microphone. I've already done it and I know mine works, so I'm not going to do it. I'm going to skip that. Now, when you jump in, be it the app or whatever, it's going to bring you to this screen. We have ensembles, rhythm only, piano, guitar, tone sets, voice family, strings, woodwinds, brass, and percussion. We are all vocalists in here, so we are going to click on voice family. After you do voice family, for 6th grade girls, well, all ladies, you are either going to pick soprano or alto. 6th grade boys, if your voice has not changed yet, you will also select soprano or alto. 6th grade boys and the rest of the boys, if your voice has changed and is lower, you will hit tenor. Tenor, treble, clef, baritone, or bass. Baritone or bass are going to be the lower voices. Okay. So for me, I'm going to select bass. It shows me all the criteria. There's a 60-second countdown. 4 measures to sing. Tempo is 50. Unlimited attempts. A metronome is on. There are disappearing measures. The disappearing measures is off and the cursor is off. I'm going to start my assignment. I am now in my 60-second countdown. In a 60-second countdown, that's a time for you to look over the music and practice over what you see. So right now, there's a few tools you can use to practice. You can hit for your starting pitch, or you can hit this to have a metronome to help you to practice with the right rhythm. So I could do this here. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, mi, re, do. Or you can sing it faster when you're practicing. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, fa, mi, re, do, da. You can do whatever you need to in that 60 seconds. Once the 60 seconds is up, it starts recording once this one is in. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, mi, re, do. You want to wait until the assignment review pops up like this, And when you get the assignment review, that's when you can check to see how your recording sounds. You can listen to yourself. You can listen to it just playing the piano, or you can listen to the synth plus yourself. So it'll be the piano notes being played and you singing your notes at the same time to see if you did it correctly. I'll do that for just a few seconds so you can hear. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, fa, mi, re, do. If you're happy with what you did, you need to click submit. If you didn't like what you did and you wanted to try again, you hit try another. This does not give you the same thing. It will create a brand new one from scratch, but it's going to be the same criteria. So once you're finished, click that submit assignment and hit yes, and then it'll go to me. One thing that I've seen and people have been telling me has been happening is you've started your assignment and then you sing through it really fast and then you hit stop and then it says you can't submit it. You do not hit stop. You need to stick with the beat that it gives you, and when it gets to the end, it will automatically bring up the part where you can submit your assignment. Okay? If you ever want to practice, you can go to practice, and I do want to show you one other thing. I'm still going to pick bass. Actually, sorry, not bass. My bad. We're going to go to rhythm only. And I'm just going to do a level 1 rhythm only, 4/4 time, and I'll keep it free play. This is just to show you something. Now, you see how this one looks? There's no staff. There's just a line with notes on it. This is what rhythm only looks like. So if it's rhythm only, this is where you would go 1, 3, 1, 3, 4, and so on and so forth. If you had something else, go back to my instruments to go to bass, and I'm going to pick F major and next. This has a staff where the notes are moving up and down the staff. So if that's the case, you need to actually sing. So if it looks like this, and you go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, wonderful rhythm counting, but rhythm is only half of what you need to do here. This is a singing assignment, so make sure you do what you are supposed to do. If you have any questions, ask me in class, send me an email. Whatever you need, I will do what I can to help you. All right, have a wonderful day.